So this is the ARTISTRY Intensive Skincare Collagen+HA Capsule 97. So first I already opened, okay. Then how to use it is actually you open from the box, right? Then after that you take this intensive reset 14 night reset program, and you press pump the whole bottle on it. Okay, until it is empty. Okay, so after that normally I will just close the cap. And I put upside down so that the excess can still go down. Then you use the fingers to rub it melt. Alright, so once it's melt, you can start apply on your face already. Okay, so I will start to apply the collagen ball. First, I put toner on my face first. Okay, put as many as you can, the toner, right? Very thick toner on your face, because toner, it helps the absorption. Also it wet your skin first. Then this is the, just now I already pre-mix, okay, pre-mix the collagen ball with the 14 night reset program. So you just apply like this. Then use the ARTISTRY Dermasonic. Okay. ARTISTRY. So you go to the signature select mode and massage on your skin like this. Massage on your skin. If you don't have this equipment, it's okay, it's still fine. You can use your hand to massage. Okay, so it's like this. Apply the whole face until the machine stop the vibration. Okay, so if you feel dry, you apply again. You apply again on your face. Then do it again using the Dermasonic. So for those who don't have the Dermasonic, you can do like this. Okay, it's a scissors hand to massage. Okay, so those that who have this Dermasonic, right? Then you do like this. Gentle. Okay, come down, gentle, come up, lift up your skin. Try to lift up your skin. Then the other side. This Dermasonic can help to pump in 30 times more the nice good collagen into your skin. Okay, watch out the eyes area. Okay, so once it's done, then apply the moisturizer. This ARTISTRY moisturizer, I'm using the Ideal Radiant series. So you apply just like normal apply on your skin. I like to piano a bit. So now it's done.